So the next one that we want to look at is we want to look at how you do your software updates. So let's go take a look at that. See, I got a kind of a boring wallpaper here. There are two different places you go to for doing software updates. One of them is just right here on the taskbar, and this is super convenient. I like this, okay? Because we were connected to the internet at time of installation, it did all the updates during installation, but if not, well, we could do it here. And now Linux updates every bit as often as Windows does. You know, don't think that Windows is unique in how often it updates. You know, I mean, we've kind of got a taste from that from Android and iOS, these other operating systems, is that updates are just everywhere. I mean, they're just happening all the time. The other place to do it is to go into YAST and to go to software and go to online updater. Now, it seems like that when you run both of them at the same time, that they bump into each other. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'm not sure. Did this one finish? All right. Okay. So either of these places will be where you'll go. Now, down on the taskbar, it will notify you. There'll be an icon, a little icon change that tells you that updates are pending. And just, you can pick and choose. You can say yes or no. And okay. So that was a pretty quick video. That's how we check for updates and then apply updates in OpenSUSE.